Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable your power saving mode into your LG K50. This operation can be helpful if you want more life for your battery. There is two ways to do this. First, easy way is to go to your upper bar, go right, and you have your battery saver extended. Turn on, and that's it. You have your battery saving enabled. You can choose the maximum option or turn it off. To do this, the second way, go to your settings, general, battery, and battery saver. This is the same way. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!